Hey, it's Babs at Rocket Family Farm. So quick tip, we actually had issues with this toilet pipe right here. It was completely clogged as this house has been sitting with mineral deposits and toilet paper and God knows what else. Well, you can imagine, it's a toilet. Anyway, we could not get through it. So I actually had to take this crowbar thing here and kind of chip away at it until we could get these magic ingredients right here. It was pretty amazing. Vinegar, baking soda. So we poured a bottle of vinegar down there, a whole box of baking soda. We ended up using 5 gallons of vinegar and 5 boxes of baking soda, and then hot water, and I plunged it and we let it sit overnight because it was completely clogged. I couldn't snake it, I couldn't do anything. It was solid. And ta-da, we have a pipe that doesn't even have white on it anymore. And it's working, it's draining. I'm super excited. I can still see a little bit of calcium way down the bottom there. But we're gonna do a little bit more. But our toilet is now working. We thought we were gonna have to dig all this stuff up. None of the plumbing companies would even touch it because it was so clogged. And these simple, cheap ingredients did the trick. So if you have a clogged pipe, try the baking soda and vinegar because that actually dissolves a lot of minerals. And I have a septic tank, so I was worried about that as well. But here we are. We have a pipe that is completely open and it's draining really, really well.